Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking to maybe build a table that has angled legs? I want to show you these angled legs that we used from Waddell for this project. So these are a round tapered table leg. They are 11.5 inches long, and we absolutely love these. I love that they have the little metal feet at the bottom, and I love the degree of taper that they have. So these are made from a furniture grade solid hardwood. They are sanded and ready for your project. So this table was actually built by my husband about 10 years ago, and it is holding up so well. We just absolutely love it, and it really looks like the day he built it. So these are ready for your finish. These were just simply coated in a poly finish, but you could absolutely add your favorite stain color or even paint them and they would look awesome. So these have that beautiful angled look to them, that vintage style, and we just love it. So we've been really happy with how these legs have turned out for so long. They've worked really, really well, and we still absolutely love this table. And that's my point of view.